All right, so let's make this happen. I oftentimes like to think of myself as a chef. Making clothing is definitely something where I think a lot of people in the world don't understand the amount of intricacy and craft that goes into making garments. When you put on that Faherty garment, you feel that love and you feel that special recipe that I can put together. Ever since I was a little kid, I've had a kinship with clothing. To be able to now, craft the clothing that I can dream of and, build this collection is amazing. How do I redefine and create a new kind of shirt? The Legend sweater shirt is, a brainchild of mine for a long time. It took, probably 2 or 3 years to manifest itself. What's the perfect raw material and fiber configuration to create something that is softer, has more comfort than anything that I have ever been able to find? A perfect yarn variation, the way the fibers could come together and be finished. Then when we knitted the fabric, it could create this softness and feel. We could add in some special finishings to bring it to life. Build and craft, what I think is the, world's most comfortable shirt. It's coming. It's coming.
Yeah. It is coming. You
it's
see,
coming together.
It's
like a, it's like a baby starting to make its way to toddlerhood. Faherty is the name of this brand because it is, part of who we are, and it's a part of, what we make is, an extension of us. And I think this is something I want to do for the rest of my life. And I find that same synergy here in Istanbul. There is a culture of craftsmanship and tailoring that is, it's institutional in the people here. They've grown up with it. They have, they understand what quality, craft, and attention to detail is. Being here with our amazing, partners, tailors, technicians, chemists, like everyone who touches this product, the hundreds of hands that touch this product who all share the same passion as us, I continue to think that we can bring the world, the best product out there.